Welcome, SOLIDWORKS community. Over the years, we have achieved so much together. You have introduced game-changing new products. We have brought you many of the enhancements you have asked for. We are just about to release SOLIDWORKS 2022, and I truly believe it is the best SOLIDWORKS yet. I am excited for you to see many enhancements you can't live without once you try for yourself. And stick around for a glimpse into the 3D Experience Works portfolio. Broader, deeper than ever. The best part, you can start with the future today. So, sit back and enjoy a quick catch-up of SOLIDWORKS features and enhancements over the last 5 years. And we look forward to seeing what you will do with SOLIDWORKS 2022. Hello, SolidWorks community. SolidWorks 2022 is just around the corner. It features many enhancements to help you work smarter, work faster, and work together. We have focused on quality and robustness, so your tools are more reliable than ever. And of course, many new features you won't want to live without. Each year, you face new challenges. You rediscover the old ways of working are just not good enough. At SolidWorks, we agree. Each release, we make significant strides to improve the tools you trust. We also are transforming our ecosystem with our 3D Experience Works portfolio. You take what you already know and love with SolidWorks and supercharge it with all of the system-based technology. So you work smarter, work faster, work together. This year, we feature a long-time customer in the Netherlands, U-Boat Works. This fall, they are launching their Nemo submarine. It is one of the most sophisticated pieces of underwater tech available to consumers. It's an award-winning, revolutionary design and personalized for individual use. We are so proud to be part of their innovation, as well as your next great project. For now, sit back and take in everything new in SolidWorks 2022 and the 3D Experience Works.
Hello SOLIDWORKS community. SOLIDWORKS 2022 is here. We are supercharging it with all of the Dassault System's best technology to help you to work smarter, work faster, and work together. Hi, my name is Simon Ng. I'm the Sales Director for the Dassault System's Customer Role Experience team in Southeast Asia. First of all, let's look at the current SOLIDWORKS community. At the high level, it is large and diverse, from millions of SOLIDWORKS users to companies, academic institutions, labs, social media fans, to various software and hardware partners. At the high level, let's look at SOLIDWORKS 2022. On the surface, deeper dive, and let's look at the deepest capability. The high-level theme for SOLIDWORKS 2022 are working smarter, work faster, and working together. A deeper dive into SOLIDWORKS 2022 reveals the wide and deep variety of enhancements and its vast benefits. From better user experience with improved user interface, hybrid modeling capabilities of using mesh data and parametric models for better part modeling, enhanced interoperability of DWG for faster 2D to 3D capabilities, IFC enhancements for building industry-related applications, faster performance of large assemblies, structured systems, assembly configuration enhancements without the need of a Microsoft Excel, for example, drawing enhancements from opening very large assemblies with large design review mode, enhancements in all multi-products from inspections, routing, electrical libraries, PDM, Exalit one-part integration, faster simulation meshing, better flow analysis, enhancements in plastics with its expanded database, and better performance all round. We are transforming our ecosystem with our 3D Experience Works portfolio, supercharging SOLIDWORKS with all of the Dassault System's best technology to its deepest capabilities. Integrating SOLIDWORKS further with cloud-based sculpting, with 3D Creator, 3D Sculptor, 3D Sheet Metal Creator, 3D Structure Creator, 3D Mold Creator, Product Document Creator. 2. Cloud data management by connecting SOLIDWORKS to 3D Experience platform for revision, life cycle operations, and collaboration. Simulation without limits with technology from Simulia with its Abacus engine and wide variety of simulation capabilities. Now let's look at how SOLIDWORKS integrates, automates, and simulates design to manufacturing processes. Now, this is an example of a consumer electronics product with its assembly, mechanical systems, electrical systems, and how we're able to integrate various disciplines and systems using technology for design automation and infinite computing with simulation capabilities to do various designs, simulation, improving product quality, reducing time to market, and overall giving a better user experience to its products. SOLIDWORKS helps to bring your ideas to market, providing the flexibility to work in any environment from desktop, cloud connected, or pure cloud environment for the following benefits. Great design products, design great products faster, assess product performance with confidence, bridging gap between design and manufacturing, manage product planning, development, and release, moving seamlessly from concept to market. The entire 3D Experience Works portfolio, from desktop, cloud connected, or pure cloud environment in the 5 key domains: design or engineering, simulation, manufacturing or production, marketing or sales, and areas of governance. 3D Experience Works portfolio is a portfolio that scales with comprehensive and collaborative solutions that meets growing product needs. We will leave you with a value proposition of key brands that makes up the entire 3D Experience portfolio, from SOLIDWORKS, 3D Experience Works, DraftSight, Delmia Works, our manufacturing ERP and MES systems, all the way to Simulia. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Bessie Borromeo, for that introduction. So once again, I'm Ivan Listanco, Account Manager for Infinite Minds. Welcome to SolidWorks Innovation Day What's New 2020. So I'm here to discuss our corporate profile. So Infinite Minds Information Technology Solutions, or IMITS, is a technology solutions provider in the Philippines. We are committed and dedicated to provide the best and most innovative solutions for your business. IMITS is now an authorized value-added reseller for SolidWorks in the Philippines. We also have fully designated sales team, which are fully trained and certified to cater your needs. Here at Infinite Minds, we help companies achieve their best and brightest design by providing them the world-class software and solution. Infinite Minds is the newest partner for the Salt System software solution. As a newly appointed partner, we are committed to provide the highest level of service, including product training, startup services, and ongoing support. Established last July 24, 2017, the company's goal is to provide the best software solution for all aspects of product design and development process. The Salt System is actually one of the largest software developers in the world. Some of our solutions include SolidWorks. So SolidWorks is a 3D parametric modeling tool used by mechanical designers to create product designs which can aid manufacturing. On the other side, DraftSight is a feature-rich 2D and 3D CAD solutions that lets you create, edit, view, and mark up any kinds of 2D and 3D drawing files with ease, speed, and efficiency. The next is 3D Experience. So this is the latest offering of the Salt System. 3D Experience is a cloud solution that brings all your key stakeholders together on a single collaborative platform, allowing you to seamlessly move from ideation to delivery for continuous development, connecting the people, application, and real-time data for every aspect of your business, which helps you improve execution, increase productivity, and accelerate innovation. So here is our contact information. You feel free to drop us any email for questions and inquiries. And then that's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much. You may screenshot our contact details again for your reference. And then once again, please feel free to message or call us anytime for any questions or concerns or clarifications. Once again, I'm Ivan Listanco. Thank you very much. Back to you, Ms. Bessie.
Hello to the SolidWorks community in the Philippines. My name is Wayne Chua and I'm from Dassault Systems. A very warm welcome to one and all, and thank you for taking time out to join us for this 3D Experience Works 2022 launch event. I'd like to thank the team at Infinite Minds for having me here. This is, in fact, the first SolidWorks launch event that Infinite Minds is doing, and also this is the second time in history that we are having an all-digital edition of this event. Right, this is obviously due to the pandemic. But I hope next year we will be able to meet each other physically again. And now for the next 10 to 15 minutes, I hope to delight everyone with some fantastic content regarding SolidWorks 2022. So, be excited, sit back, relax, and enjoy the event. All right, what we have here is a very old slide and is dated back to the year 2014. Now, SolidWorks is everywhere. We all know this fact. It is, in fact, one of the most widely used 3D CAD modeler in the world. Now, over the years, we have grown in depth with more features and functionality within SolidWorks itself. And we have also grown tremendously in breadth with a diverse multi-product line and a powerful 3D experience platform to expand your design and manufacturing arsenal. But the question is, from the year 2014 until today, how much exactly have we grown? Now, let me share with you. Fast forward to the year 2021, the community continues to grow at an impressive rate. The overall SolidWorks community has grown some 255% since 2014. That's about 7 years. Some of the new categories we have added, for instance, draft site, has also experienced a high level of growth in terms of user base. We continue to make great strides into academia, into the scene of Fab Labs, into incubators and accelerators, and most importantly, also startups. Our certified SolidWorks program has seen almost a six times growth since 2014. There is no doubt that the community will continue to expand in years to come, especially with our expansion of the SolidWorks portfolio into the 3D Experience platform. With such an extensive community, many of the most important technology that we have today were conceived by many of us, many of you here on this call, and especially with the help of 3D technology like SolidWorks. Now, as the demand for technology gets more sophisticated, it is more and more important that we have a platform that enables us to innovate and also deliver our design with speed and accuracy. So today, I would like to take you on an underwater journey to see how a customer of ours leveraged on SolidWorks and the 3D Experience platform to bring an award-winning design to life. Introducing the submersible Nemo, right? This is not the Finding Nemo movie, but they share the same name. This work of art is designed by U-Boat Works. It's a Dutch company founded in the year 2005 that specializes in building manned personal submersibles. Their vision is to create personal submersibles that make access to the subsea readily available, and they are successful today. They have actually realized their vision. This design has also won an award for the Red Dot design. It is a prestigious international award that is given out yearly basis to exceptional design. And the Nemo is of course designed with SolidWorks, with of course the assistance of the 3D Experience platform. Now, in a short while, I will take you underwater for an amazing experience, for you to experience yourself this very complex machine. And after that, I will also bring you on a short journey on the conceptualization to the manufacture of the Nemo. Please sit back, get excited, and hold your breath. Let's go underwater. Okay, here we are. We are underwater in the Pacific Ocean, somewhere in the Pacific Ocean. Now, on your screen, you will probably see, a little bit of lag, and maybe a bit of slow movement of the frame rate. but on my end, it's perfectly smooth, right? So welcome aboard. This is the 360-degree view of the cockpit within the Nemo. This is designed by SOLIDWORKS, right? And you can see that there is some kind of rendering applied to it using SOLIDWORKS Visualize, right? You can see the seats, leather seats here, and some of the onboard machinery and human and machine interface, and some of the equipment behind. You can see the hatch here, very detailed, right? So that is the short clip and a quick tour of the Nemo. Next up, I would like to share a short video on some of the new features and functions of SOLIDWORKS 2022, and also importantly, how some snippets of how the SOLIDWORKS and the 3D Experience platform will leverage for the building of this amazing underwater craft. So sit back and enjoy the short video.
Hello, SolidWorks community. SolidWorks 2022 is just around the corner. It features many enhancements to help you work smarter, work faster, and work together. We have focused on quality and robustness, so your tools are more reliable than ever. And of course, many new features you won't want to live without. Each year, you face new challenges. You rediscover the old ways of working are just not good enough. At SolidWorks, we agree. Each release, we make significant strides to improve the tools you trust. We also are transforming our ecosystem with our 3D Experience Works portfolio. You take what you already know and love with SolidWorks and supercharge it with all of the System-based technology. So you work smarter, work faster, work together. This year we feature a long-time customer in the Netherlands, U-Boat Works. This fall, they are launching their Nemo submarine. It is one of the most sophisticated pieces of underwater tech available to consumers. It's an award-winning, revolutionary design and personalized for individual use. We are so proud to be part of their innovation, as well as your next great project. For now, sit back and take in everything new in SolidWorks 2022 and the 3D Experience Works.
All right, I hope you have enjoyed the video. It's me again, Wayne, back with you. First and foremost, big thanks to Mr. Gianpaolo Bassi for delivering his keynote for SOLIDWORKS 2022. I also hope that you have a glimpse into the conceptualization to the manufacture of the Nemo. And today, I would like to take you deeper into SOLIDWORKS 2022 and the 3D Experience Works platform. And we're going to go into three different approach. Number one, we're going to go on the surface to see what's all about. Number two, we're going to dive a little bit deeper. And number three, we're going to dive deepest into the deepest capability of the 3D Experience Works portfolio. Now, throughout the day, in this event, you also get to deep dive into more technical aspect of the new features and functionality on SOLIDWORKS 2022. So please stay with us after this video and take a look at the schedule and agenda. We will definitely have our engineers to showcase some of the latest capabilities. Now, SOLIDWORKS 2022 on the surface, some of the key notions that guided us into releasing this latest version are these three very important guidelines: work smarter, work faster, and work together, collaborate. Now, if we take a deeper dive into what SOLIDWORKS already provides, it reveals a wide variety of multi-products that traditionally has been a pillar of strength for our product line. Now, what we are doing today is that we are leveraging on cloud to bring even deeper capabilities to our customers and our users alike. Leveraging on cloud technology on the 3D Experience platform, we are delving into cloud-based sculpting, cloud hassle-free data management, and finally, simulation without limits. Now, shortly after this, I will play a short video again to show you some of these very powerful capabilities in action. All right, and this video will consist of three very important categories of design. Number one, integration. Number two, automation. And finally, simulation. Now let's take a look. All right, the first topic that we address is the integration topic. Now, in the latest iteration of the 3D Experience Works 2022, we have made integration between our best-in-class mechanical CAD SOLIDWORKS with our best-in-class electrical CAD solution. And also automation. Today, you're able to leverage on the platform, quickly reduce material redesign without having to redesign at all. Completely using automation, and even the assembling of parts, right, to a main assembly. And even in simulation, we are able to automate additive manufacturing. And over here, you see using simulation and automation to create a lattice structure that is additively manufactured. In the areas of sports car design, automotive design, computational fluid dynamics, we have a best-in-class technology and solution to give you the most accurate results. All right. And finally, what is the 3D Experience Works portfolio? Now, the 3D Experience Works portfolio is basically SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience combined into a powerful package. Now, with this platform, we provide the flexibility to our users to work in any environment, from desktop, cloud connected, or pure cloud environment, for the following benefits: design great products faster, assess product performance with confidence, bridge the gap between design and manufacturing, even manage product planning, develop and release, and then finally, moving seamlessly from concept to the market. Now, with all that amazing portfolio and technology you have to leverage, I'd like to invite SOLIDWORKS CEO, Mr. Gianpaolo Bassi, back again for a very interesting clip on how he leverages the 3D Experience Works portfolio on a day-to-day basis. Enjoy.
For 20 years, you have made the SOLIDWORKS the gold standard for CAD on the desktop. There are over 6 million of you worldwide, and we know that many of the world's most innovative products and designers got their start in SOLIDWORKS. And we listen to you. SOLIDWORKS 2022 continues a tradition of continual improvement. New design tools, improved user experience, and the productivity enhancements that will help get your work done better and faster. And we continue to innovate for a future with the flexibility at our core, because if last year has taught us anything, it's that life is unpredictable.
When disruptions happen, how do you keep your teams productive when all your tools, data, and people are tied to the desktop? By connecting to the cloud, tools in the 3D Experience Works portfolio empower all of your valuable contributors to stay connected and contributing from anywhere and on any device.
Today, with the cloud tools on the 3D Experience platform, I can do what I need to do to keep progress moving, regardless of where I am or what I'm doing.
What exactly are you doing and who are you talking to, Gianpaolo?
Our users, coach, they want to know about all the new versions of the exciting tools we're about to launch.
Launch? If you don't get your head in the game, you're about to get a ball launched at your head.
Relax, coach. I've been working on my drop shot. I know. It was them. They're trying to sabotage our work. Who? The squirrel, of course. They know we are close to a viable solution.
Product development in a cloud-based platform means progress is never sidelined by the unexpected.
I knew it! Hey guys, I'm joining remotely today. Let's pick up where we left off last time. Things are getting worse. I am very concerned about the strength of the primary abstraction. How can we fortify it?
Don't let life's unpredictability affect your business. Assure your resiliency to overcome any hurdles.
Easy for you to say. Those squirrels are very clever.
With the ability to access and see your data, tools, and apps in one safe place, you can keep working no matter what life throws your way.
We built these 3D Experience Works tools specifically for you, the SOLIDWORKS user. So you can now do so much more than on the desktop alone. Because after all, our users are at the heart of everything we do. Guys, the situation is getting worse by the minute. I see you ran the advanced simulation as I requested.
Yes, GP, and fortified the structure as suggested. I believe it's foolproof.
Excellent, but where are the lasers? Have you seen how these beasts have evolved during quarantine? They are highly advanced, basically super predators. Guys, how long would this take to machine this out of titanium?
We're still talking squirrels, right?
Oh, I have it. We'll need to add fluid simulation.
Are you suggesting what I think you're suggesting?
Yes, we must add a moat. You hear me? We are building a moat.
Just like life, product development is something that must be able to weather the unexpected. Be prepared with 3D Experience Works.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again. I hope you have enjoyed this short clip. It's quite interesting, really, to me, and beware of very, mischievous squirrels in your life. Now, what you see here is the 3D Experience Works portfolio. And, many of you may want to actually take a picture and to, have a good time to digest all the technology that we have put into this very powerful portfolio. Now, on the desktop, we are very familiar with many of these products like SolidWorks, SolidWorks Electrical, SolidWorks Simulation, SolidWorks Inspection, and etc. Now, this has been the powerhouse of our SolidWorks extended multi-product portfolio through the years. Now, to leverage on cloud and to even push the envelope of engineering and design, now we have leveraged on. Now we have come up with an entire new portfolio on the cloud, able to do things faster, more efficiently, and with more cost savings. So this is our entire desktop to cloud portfolio to address the 5 key domains in engineering. Number 1, design and engineering. Number 2, simulation. Number 3, manufacturing and production. Number 4, even marketing and sales. And finally, data governance, data integrity. So in short, in a quick summary, our portfolio today, what we offer to our SolidWorks community is the ability to complete the entire end-to-end design, to manufacturing, to sales, lifecycle management workflow. A portfolio that scales with comprehensive and collaborative solutions that meets growing business needs. And finally, we have come almost to the end of this short presentation. We're going to leave you with the value proposition of key brands that make up the entire 3D Experience Works portfolio. We have our SolidWorks design platform that you're familiar and you love, and of course a 2D design platform for multidisciplines in DraftSight. We have even ventured into ERP and manufacturing execution systems to aid in your production. And finally, in Simulia, we have unrivaled technology that gives you the best in class for simulation. Before I end, I would like to invite everyone on the call to 3D Experience World 2022, which is happening next year, February, from the 6th to the 9th of February. The physical event is actually taking place in United States, but because of the pandemic, we have, for the second time in history, decided to make this event also available to the general public online. Now, I have been to a few of these events, and I can tell you that it's very, very informative, and you will take away a lot of very useful information, and also network, make friends as well, even though it's virtual. And on top of that, I would like to also invite you to join us on the 3D Experience SolidWorks community. There is a link here. Feel free to take a picture of it. Register. It's completely free, and it's a community that really brings all of us together for us to engage, for us to learn and discover and share experiences about SolidWorks. Yep. So and that is also my email on top. If you'd like to connect with me for whatever reasons, right? Whether to find out more about technology, to just have a conversation, I'm always available. Just a click of an email away. So I'd like to end my presentation with, of course, our Nemo today, the star of the presentation. So I hope for the next couple of hours, or even, a couple of days, please enjoy the event, and hopefully there will be something interesting for you to take away. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ma'am Bless, for the warm introduction. So welcome to our TechNet presentation part of Innovation Day. So we will talk about what is new in SolidWorks 2022, and also about our cloud platform, which is the 3D Experience. So I am Don Emmanuel A. Pablo, the Applications Engineer of Infinite Minds Information Technology Solutions. Ivar Technical Support for SolidWorks and DraftSite. And also, I am a certified SolidWorks professional for mechanical design and CAM, and also advanced professional for sheet metal, welding, and drawing tools. So I would like to thank you all for attending this webinar, no, for giving us time. And I hope that you'll learn a lot about what is new in SolidWorks 2022. So we only have one objective for this webinar. And yeah, it is to learn how we can work faster, work smarter, and work together in SolidWorks 2022. So before we begin, let me ask you a few questions. So 2 questions lang naman siya. So Ma'am Bless, pwedeng tutulong ako sa first
All right. Okay, sir. Are you familiar with 3D CAD software? Yes or
Okay,
no?
so for our first call, ayan. So gusto ko lang din malaman if may background na kayo sa 3D CAD software or sa kahit na anong software na pan 3D. Okay, so maybe we will give them a few seconds to answer our call. So ayan, yes or no lang naman siya. So medyo mag-list lang siya. Okay. So, ayan. Sige, hintay lang natin matali yung answers para at least makita natin yung kung ilan na yung may familiar sa inyo sa 3D CAD software. So, ayun. Nice. So, good to know na ayan, 92% of our audience familiar na sa 3D CAD software. So, okay siya para sa akin kasi itong presentation natin is medyo straightforward talaga siya sa bago sa SolidWorks 2022. So, wala na siyang paliwiliwi, wala nang introduction sa SolidWorks, no? So, rekta na sa kung anong bago sa SolidWorks 2022. So, and for the other question, Ma'am Bless, I think bring up na din po.
All right.
For our
What software you currently use?
okay, so for our choices, we have DraftSite, Autodesk AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Autodesk Inventor, others, or none. We're not currently using it. So ito din, para medyo may background din ako sa ating audience. Para alam ko kung paano ko i-adjust yung ating presentation, no? Kasi baka iba sa inyo is not familiar with SolidWorks. So medyo may mga key points ako na kailangan i-emphasize sa ating presentation. Okay, so while waiting for the answers, I hope everyone is safe. I hope everyone sana hindi magka-COVID. Wala na ngayong pandemic. So napakahirap kasi magka-COVID ngayong panahon. So ayan. Okay. So this is interesting, no? Most of the audience, they're using Autodesk AutoCAD, no? So I hope in this webinar, medyo ma-familiarize din naman kayo sa SolidWorks. And ayun nga, sana makita niyo yung mga pinakamahalagang features ni SolidWorks na bago sa 2022. So meron din tayong DraftSite. Okay, so next sa atin is yung SolidWorks na marami rin gumamit. And parang meron din none. So may medyo may hindi gumagamit ng software. Okay, so that's good. Thank you guys for answering. So let us proceed with our presentation. So, and I will be discussing some of the new features to look forward to that. That will definitely help not just the advanced users of SolidWorks, but also for the beginners who want to start their journey with SolidWorks. So these enhancements were made for us to work faster, work smarter, and work together with SolidWorks. So for example, to work faster, a new configuration table is introduced. So wherein you can easily manage your configurations in a part or assembly. So let me elaborate that feature later as we go on sa ating presentation. So next to work smarter. An example of this is our hybrid modeling. So it is a great enhancement. So mamaya din madi-discuss ko siya sa ating presentation. So for our collaboration or working together, so meron tayong cloud-based sculpting and cloud data management. So this is to improve innovation and decision making by connecting the 3D experience platform to our cloud platform that will give you a better experience in collaborating. So if you are currently using your SolidWorks desktop, so you can actually connect it to our cloud platform. But if you don't have an existing SolidWorks, you can also avail of our SolidWorks Connect. So this is not a desktop-based application. So cloud-based application siya. So you can load it sa cloud. You don't have, di mo na kailangan mag-install since it's cloud-based, no? So, ayan. Okay, so moving on, let us see what features are we going to discuss about work faster. So let's start with the new shortcut keys. No? So itong mga videos na to is napakita na kanina. So ayan, napakita na sa ating introduction, but let us deep dive into these features. So first nga, new shortcut keys. So under shortcut menu, we have now our command search. So what is this command search? You can key in any commands on the space provided, and then it will automatically locate that command. So as you can see, pag click lang yung I na yun, wait lang. Pakita ko lang. Ayan. So this part, if you click that, yung parang mata na icon, so automatic is ilolocate niya yun sa SolidWorks. So nakita niyo nagkaroon ng red na arrow, no? So ayan, automatic siya maglo-locate. So gagalaw yung mouse, pupunta sa command. Ayan. So ang default key nito sa ating newly installed SolidWorks 2022 is S. So pagka pinindot niyo yung S, lalabas tong window na to or tong pop-up na to, and then automatic pwede na kayo mag-search yan sa ating command search. So another shortcut that has been introduced in SolidWorks 2022 is our Q key shortcut. So as you can see, it can quickly turn on component reference geometry. So in the past, you have to manually select those planes or those reference geometries for them to be visible. But now, pwede nyong pindutin lang yung Q key para mag-pop up na agad siya or maging visible na siya sa atin or sa ating screen. Okay, so next, ito yung nabanggit ko kanina na configuration table. So with this configuration table, you can generate native tables based on existing variations to generate and manage configuration. So dito, hindi na kailangan ng Microsoft Excel. We can now create configuration table. We can now create configurations in the table, and you can apply the existing variations that you like just by ticking the boxes. So this is a way, in a way, it is a fast and smart way to create and manage your configurations in a part or assembly. So as you can see here, ayan, nasa table na lang siya, then you can just click create a new configuration, and then just by taking the boxes that you want to, the parameters or the variations that you want to include on your new configuration, so napakadali na lang niyang may apply. So hindi na siya, hindi na kailangan gumawa ng add new configuration dun sa ating configurations panel. So pwede na siya sa table. Okay, so let's move on. So improve solve times. Well, for our simulation in SolidWorks 2021 for this assembly, which I think is a frame. So it took 4 minutes and 26 seconds now to solve the stress of this assembly. But for SolidWorks 2022, it is now 27% faster. So 3 minutes and 13 seconds, na-solve niya na yung ating assembly. So I also want to share the enhancement made when it comes to drawings and detailing. So syempre, it's not all about designing or conceptualize. So we have to move to detailing, in which before manufacturing, syempre kailangan natin ng details for our drawing. So in SolidWorks 2022, you can open your assembly in LDR mode. So LDR, hindi long distance relationship. So it is a large design review, in which this is the fastest way to open a large assembly. So from there, you can open it directly to detailing mode. So you don't have to resolve any components to do that. You also don't need to have those components in your machine. So yun nga, in LDR mode, so automatic na siya. So open mo lang yung large assembly file in LDR mode, and then you can automatically open it in detailing mode. As you can see, in 21 seconds, that large assembly file or yung ating Nemo assembly na na-discuss kanina. So 21 seconds is now open na siya sa ating detailing mode. So, which is, in a way, we can work faster. And also, by the way, you can also open older drawings that has been created in SolidWorks. So from there, you can also open this older drawings to detailing mode. So whatever version is that. So, and I guess hindi ko sure kung hanggang version siya kayang buksan sa SolidWorks. But I know with it can open older drawings no up until 2001, I guess. But hindi ko sure kung latter din is pwede. But anyway, ayun. So ganun kalayo yung range or ganun kalawak yung kaya nating i-open sa SolidWorks basta na-create siya sa within the SolidWorks environment. So the next thing is our since we are talking about detailing mode, so let me add this feature now. So detailing mode has now the ability to save model data, in which I think is very useful. So it is under document properties, meaning you can save this option for drawing rather than saving it for other drawings. So hindi na maapektuhan yung ibang drawings since it is under document properties and not in system options. Okay, you can save model data of your detailing mode per drawing. Another one that I would like to add is the redesign of geometric user interface and tolerance. So you can now select directly on the screen or on the sheet that you're working on. So it's a lot faster now to select geometric tolerances for our detailing. So automatic kasi, makikita mo na siya agad sa ating detailing mode, sa ating screen. So ayan, yung ating geometric tolerances. Okay, so let's move on next to our the features that can make us work smarter with SolidWorks. Okay, so first, nabanggit din kanina yung ating hybrid modeling, no? So kasi in the past, mesh modeling was introduced in SolidWorks. So meron na talagang mesh modeling sa SolidWorks. So you can use mesh features in a drawing, but that required that you have to convert the whole part into mesh. So yung buong assembly mo or yung buong part mo in the past is kailangan mo po siyang i-convert sa ating mesh. But with hybrid modeling, you can take the mesh geometry and keep the regular SolidWorks features on it. So you get the flexibility of using mesh data, but also the accuracy and ease of use of regular features on the part. So ayan, pwede mo na i-combine yung mesh data with the parametric features for a better part design. So meron ka ng accuracy and the advantages of having mesh or mesh data. So for our next work smarter feature is the section view enhancement. Now, as you can see in the video, so ayan, sinelect niya lang yung face ng cylinder and then automatic, andun na yung ating section view. So in the past, I guess, you would have to create first a reference inside that cylinder before you can actually rotate a section view inside of that cylinder or with reference to that cylinder. So now we just one click away. So you just have to click the command under section and then click on the face of that cylinder. Then automatically yung axis ng ating section view is nandun na sa axis din ng ating face ng cylinder. Okay, so next, our match camera, no? So pinakita rin natin, nakita rin natin to kanina. So with match camera, you can align perspectives of 2D background image with the 3D geometry. So I guess this is a great tool under SolidWorks Visualize if you want to make your renderings more realistic. Siyempre kung interesado ka sa ganung bagay, if your job is to render the designs of your engineers to make it realistic sa ating presentations, so match camera ay para sa'yo. So that's under SolidWorks Visualize. So also under SolidWorks Visualize is our patterns. So now you have the selection about our patterns na. So you can select, actually you can select scatter. So this is a more realistic way to create patterns in SolidWorks Visualize. Siyempre, ang aim naman natin sa pag nagre-render is to be the realistic as possible yung ating designs, no? Or yung ating drawings. So for SolidWorks routing naman, we have our backshell connectors, no? So I put it under Work Smarter so that because it is an improvement or enhancement in our aesthetics, no? So that again, pwedeng mas makita natin na realistic yung ating design. So ayan. Backshell connectors now supported in SolidWorks routing. Okay, so guys, remind ko lang po pala na if you have questions, you can key in on our Q&A box. So ayan, may kita yung siya sa baba or sa taas. So Q&A, then later on after the presentation, we can answer them. Okay, so moving on to the last part of our presentation is our work together part, no? So dito itatakal na natin yung hindi naman lahat ng features ng ating 3D experience, no? So ito lang yung I think na pinaka makakatulong sa ating advanced users and for the beginners. So para at least yung ating presentation is also for everyone, not just for the advanced users. And so under 3D Experience Works, we have our cloud-based sculpting. So we can now create 3D models in our cloud-based sculpting. So just like a piece of clay, we can start on the basic shape and we can create a freehand line to match the shape we desire. Then select a point where to drag that shape that we created. The next thing you know, we already have our desired model. So as you can see on our video again, and nagsimula siya sa isang basic shape and then just drag some points. So ayan, that's our 3D sculpting. And if you want to remove a face on our sculpt or our model, so ayan, ganun lang siya kadali or ganun lang kabilis. So we can really create the shape that we desire to. So, ayun, adding or subtracting the volume that we need in our models is done by pushing and pulling lang. So the only limit here in our cloud-based sculpting is our imagination. Okay, so next is our cloud data management, no, under 3D Experience Works pa rin. Whether you are in a large company or in a small team, so maybe you are concerned on how will you store and manage all your files, no? Especially ngayon na pandemic ngayon. I think most of us is not allowed to go into office. So meron lang kasi limited number of persons na allowed sa closed work area ngayon, di ba? Or maybe will the other team know? So for example, yun nga, other team members naka-work from home. So paano nyo mapapasa yung design? So medyo hassle kung every time you create an email or send a design. So hindi real time yung ating pag-discuss, no? Kasi you have to wait for the reply or for the revisions of your design. So ayun. So the solution for that is here in our cloud data management. So under 3D Experience, you can store all of your data in the cloud. So assign members to a specific project and know or be updated with the status of the project. So you can see if the design is in the latest version. The platform can also provide notifications. If there are changes in the design, you can make a part into what we call frozen state, so that other members cannot change the design. So you can also connect SolidWorks from your desktop to the 3D Experience platform. So as I've mentioned earlier, if you have currently a SolidWorks desktop installed on your machine, so you can actually buy a role so that you can connect your SolidWorks to our cloud platform or to our 3D Experience. And also, if you don't have currently you don't have SolidWorks installed in your desktops, you can also buy a role in which SolidWorks Connect. You can use SolidWorks Connect. So that's the cloud-based platform for our 3D design, SolidWorks Connect.